Let's take a look on how AI can solve some basic geometry problems at the level of the 8th grader, right? So let's see, I'm gonna take this problem. Alright, a triangle has an angle that measures 63 and an angle that measures 38. This is from Google Classroom of the 8th grade. What's the measure of the third degree angle? Just a warm-up, right? So 63 plus 38, 101. Total degrees 180. 180 minus 101, 79. Let's see how we do. Gladly I don't have to type here much. I can just copy paste. Let's see what it does. Okay, analyzing. In the meantime, alright. And the easy one passed. Next problem. Let's take a look at this one. Okay. So, we have two triangles. Let me make it bigger so I can see, because I haven't really solved those problems myself yet. Facebook here open. Okay. Sorry. Alright, so we have... my bad. Solving. Did I extracted? Alright, that's this one. Where's the other guy here? Yes, this one. Just want to blow it up a little bit so we can see a little bit better. So let's see. So we have two triangles. The sides of this one are equal to 100. So it's pretty. Let me get, for the sake of going faster, I'm going to get my calculator. So what do I have here? Those two angles will be equal, so it's going to be 116 plus 2x equals 180, right? So we're going to do 180 minus 116 divided by 2. It's 32 degrees. Each angle here is 32 degrees. The whole thing here is 180. 180 minus 32 minus 72 makes it 76. So those two angles are 76 because the sides are equal in this triangle, right? So 180 minus 76 times 2 makes it 180 minus 76 makes it 28. So the answer is C. So let's take a look what happens if I send it to ChatGPT. I'm gonna take a picture of this puppy here. Alright, let's see, where are you? Oh, here it is. So, okay, so I know the answer is 28. So I'm going to paste this picture, which is very convenient. I'm going to say find x, right? Because that's what we were looking for. Oh, we're looking for find x, which is this, which is 28 degrees. Okay. Let's see what it does. It's thinking. Okay, the large triangle has angle 116, so to find the value of x in a small triangle which is similar to the large one, we will use the fact that the sum of the angles is always 180. That's fine. Let's see where this is going. I just want to see what is going to get to the right answer. A lot of stuff. I solved it much faster. Let's see what's the answer. 72 degrees. And it's wrong. Why? Alright, let's see where it found the problem. So it knows Okay, let's calculate the third angle of the large triangle and then use that to find the angles marked as x. Okay. It seems there are mistaken calculations since the triangle cannot have a negative angle. And reassessment, okay. The sum of two given angles, 116 and so it exceeds 180. What? Well, they're not equal. Why are you even doing that? Huh. Okay, I didn't see. It's doing some nonsense, actually. How about I'm going to give it an idea that those lines mean it's isosceles triangle. Okay, maybe it doesn't. Both of the triangles are iso. Fix my typing here. Let's see if this figures out something else. Given that both triangles are isosceles. Alright, in a large isosceles triangle, the angles base are equal. Okay, so finally it got to 72, right? Since the sum of angles in triangles are 80. That's got it. Let's calculate the vertex angle, okay? Okay, so it got to 72, which is those two triangles. Actually, it should be the 72. Let's see. Alright, 80 minus 116 divided by 2 is 32. What? It does some kind of junk, I guess. Alright. How about I give you an idea? Okay. In a large isosceles triangle with angle 116, I'm going to say angle, and let's say one angle is y plus 116 equals 180. I'm trying to help is for it to solve a problem, solve one big triangle. Let's see if it figures it out. So, because basically this angle plus this angle plus this angle equals 116, and will give you 32. Okay, well, I think it's pretty much a given that it's failed, this test, but let's see if it can catch up. I'll give it a last try. Okay, in a large isosceles triangle, each of equals, okay. A small isosceles triangle, which, okay, 32. Okay, good. Now, take it from there. Can it solve it? What took me, like, 20 seconds. Now that we established the base, since the small triangle is also isosceles to base. Okay. For angle x is in the small isosceles triangle, which is vertex angle. No, wrong. Okay, so that's a failure. Let's give it another try, another problem. I'm going to move on to the next problem, which is going to be this one. I think that one is going to be has a little bit more words. So, well, I mean, it's obviously an image. I mean, to solve geometry, you kind of have to understand the image. I mean, let's see. Sorry, I'm gonna. Okay. So, given that ACD and CAB are congruent and AD and BC are parallel, what is the measure of degree CBA? CBA. So that's pretty simple. So this plus this, so it's going to be 3x plus 2x plus 8 basically becomes 2x plus 8 plus 3x plus 37 equals 180. 2x plus 3x is 5x. 37 plus 8 is 45. 180 minus 45 is 35 divided by 5. It's going to be 27. 27 times 3 is 81. So this degree is 81, 81. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look at what it's going to do. Go. So solved one problem, which is very basic. Failed another one. Let's see if it can solve this problem. So just as a reminder, I think we came down to 81 degrees angle. Alright. Angle. Oh, it's already doing some kind of crazy stuff. We can express angle ADC is 3x because okay, oh, sorry. We can express ADC. So that's a given. So thank you. Oh, it's so 2x plus 8 plus 3x plus 3x. From an observation, we can write an equation for the sum of angles in triangle ACD. ACD is going to be 2x plus 8 plus 3x plus 3x. No. See, it assumes. What? So it basically assumes that this angle is also 3x, which wouldn't be a triangle. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna even try to explain it what to do here, because now let's solve this equation. So basically it says plus 3x is 180. Let's solve the equation and find the x. Measure, okay, and CBA is 64.5. Okay, CBA. So basically it's solved for x without really explaining this. So even if it, okay, let me see if it even solved it right. So just for giggles, it got 6x, 8x. 8x equals 180 minus 8, which is 72. 172 divided by 8 is 21.5 times 3, 64.5, right? Okay. Well, at least it solved the equation correctly, but the fact that it believes that this angle and this angle are the same, or equal, it's just nonsense, right? So, again, this is an example where you have to watch out what you, which you have to check the answers. One thing it's not good at is math. That's one thing for sure.